Rats are one pest you don't want, but prepare for twice the trouble if they come with rat mites. In this video, we'll show you how to identify and treat rat mite infestations so your home can stay clean and pest-free. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about rat mites, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Rat mites are small arachnids, and you likely won't realize you're infested until after you've been bitten. The most common rat mite is the tropical rat mite. They're normally about 1/25 of an inch in length and really hard to see with just the naked eye, but they can become more visible after they've fed and become engorged. They're typically grayish-white in color, and they become reddish after feeding. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. If you have rat mites, you either brought in a new pet that may have been infested, maybe a hamster or another similar animal, or you have a rodent infestation. Look in and around your house for signs of rat or mouse activity. Check outdoors around your home's perimeter, in garden beds, or indoors like the kitchen, pantry, attic, basement, or garage. Be on the lookout for grease marks along walls, fur, rodent droppings, gnaw marks, and rodent burrows. To get rid of rat mites, you'll first need to address any rodent infestations on your property. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend you wear gloves in order to keep your human scent off any products. Start control by setting up snap traps. We recommend you use Easy Set rat traps. Easy Set rat traps are durable and reusable traps designed to be safe to use and to eliminate rats quickly. Bait these traps with a high-protein bait like peanut butter, then arm and set traps against walls or fence lines close to where activity's been seen. The trap should be perpendicular, facing towards the wall. Next, set up glue traps. We recommend you use our Pro Glue boards, perfect for rats and other crawling pests, or our Pro Glue trays, which are made with a durable plastic. These traps come pre-baited with a peanut butter scented adhesive and are easy to set up. To prepare the glue boards, just grip the corner of the board itself and the paper seal, then swiftly pull them apart. Set these traps lengthwise against walls or fence lines close to where you've seen rodent activity. For the best coverage, use plenty of traps, and be sure to place snap and glue traps 2 to 3 feet apart throughout your treatment area. In addition to traps, you'll want to use a rodenticide bait like Eratication rodent bait. Eratication is a slow-killing rodenticide that prevents a rodent population from developing bait shyness. To prevent children, pets, and non-target animals from accessing the bait, set up Eratication with a tamper-proof rat and mouse bait station. Load the station with up to 4 Eratication blocks and set the station flush against the exterior of your home structure. We recommend you set up multiple stations 20 to 40 feet apart. Check the stations once a day to replenish any bait until rodent activity ceases. Finally, to get rid of any lingering rat mites that may persist after rodents have been controlled, we recommend you treat in and around your home with an insecticide like Flex 1010. Flex 1010 is a permethrin and pipernyl butoxide based concentrate that is labeled to kill rat mites in and around structures. This product must be mixed with water before application. In a handheld pump sprayer, mix 3.2 fluid ounces of Flex 1010 into 1 gallon of water to treat up to 1,000 square feet. You can apply the solution to furniture, mattresses, baseboards, carpeting, and shelves. You should also create a perimeter barrier around your home's exterior to prevent mites and other bugs from coming in from outside. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. You can ensure you won't deal with rat mites in the future by making your home less conducive to rodent activity. Clean up in and around your home to remove food sources and harborages. Seal loose foods like cereal, flour, and pet foods into airtight containers. Rake away leaf litter and pick up fallen debris, and ensure your garbage bins seal completely. Next, you can prevent future pest infestations by sealing all holes, cracks, and crevices on the interior and exterior of your home. Do this with caulk or copper mesh. Rats are turned away by copper mesh, so they won't chew through it. Finally, keep up with monthly treatments of Flex 1010 outdoors to control and prevent mites and other pests from infesting your home. Rat mites are parasites that may come up with any rodent infestation. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop mites and rodents from infesting your property, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.